We've got a fabulous 50s today, a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible. This one's special. It's been body off frame rotisserie restored by Jerry Miller. He is the country's leading expert in 57 to 59 Fords. And it's loaded. It's got the T-Bird engine, spotlights, wire wheels, Continental kit, air conditioning, power seat, power windows, padded dash, power steering, power brakes, and much more. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find 200 classic cars. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. Scan this QR code, it'll bring you right to this car. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, what a beauty. I'm going to a cruise night in about, well, as soon as we're done filming, and I'm going to take this car. Body is absolutely straight. He takes them down to a bare shell, puts it on a rotisserie. All this is clean, straight metal, real nice, tight-fitting gaps. Same thing with the fender, all clean, straight, no rust, no bubbles or damage. All of this is nice, straight, long panels, and it is straight. Look at the jambs. It was completely apart when it was painted. Shuts nice. You got the fins, the fabulous 50s fins. Trunk is all nice, clean, straight. So the body's excellent. I don't see anything to complain about with the body. It's repainted flame red. And this is actually part of a collection of over 100 cars, a private collection. And this, I think, is one of his nicest cars. All the way down to the bottom's clean. Fender skirts are nice. That's an option. All the gaps are real nice. Jambs are slick. Shuts nice and solid. So again, the body is excellent. The paint has a few minor, a little nick or a chip or a touch up here or there, but the paint is a 9 plus out of 10, polished to just a beautiful glass finish. Now, as it comes around the front, this big thing here, it's a bumper guard. That's an option. So everything up here, when they restored it, the grill, the bumper guard, the lenses, all that was replaced. The hood ornament, the moldings down the side with this kind of a gold trim on the inside was all replaced. Here's a chip. At one time, this had loosened up and fell and chipped the paint. We'll touch that up and remind the salesman, if you buy the car, that I said so. It has the rocker moldings and stone shield. That's an option. New windshield and gasket and all this chrome and trim, rubber. This all been restored or replaced. All of this, the fuzzy seals. And this is all he does. He probably puts these together in his sleep. He does an excellent job. Right here is a dent. Something must have fell on the piece of trim as before we got the car. This emblem's new. Optional reverse lights. All this was new at the time of restoration. The bumper, all the trim. Check out these exhaust tips. As a dual exhaust, those are factory optional tips. The antenna in the middle of the trunk was an option back then. I think that's pretty cool looking. And then, of course, the wire wheels. You may want to leave the skirts off to show off them beautiful chrome wire wheels. And they're wearing radial white wall tires, nice big fat white walls. And the dual spotlights, you can control them from inside. And there's a mirror on the back of them. Those are really cool. Set the car off. Flame red is the original color according to the tag. What a beauty. Let's open it up. I got a lot more to show you. All right, let's see what's in this big old trunk. It's completely refinished. Look at underneath, all painted. New bolts, new weather strip. The jamb is slick. The whole inside is all redone, all painted red. You'd never chintz this out. This is a 5th matching tire, never used. The rim is painted. Here's the jack assembly restored. It has the lug wrench, new well liner, new mat. This is a bag to put the boot in. It has the panel on this side. The wiring is all new. See, a clean and complete trunk compartment. Even has the jacking sticker. So subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon. You'll be notified when new videos are posted. I forgot to talk about the power top, but that's a white top in excellent shape. The whole frame is restored, the weather strips replaced. There's good pictures of that on our website. Yeah, the jams, the weather strips, the sill plates, all replaced. Complete reproduction interior. It has the red and the white and that silver trim in between. Armrest, door handles, all replaced. And check it out. It's got power window switches because we got power windows in this car. An option. Another option is the padded dash. There would have been metal dashes at that time. And look how everything is restored. 251 miles. That's since this car has been restored. I guess when you have 100 cars, you don't put many miles on them. It has an optional light under here. It's on right now because the doors are open, but you can turn it on when the doors are shut. All this looks fresh. Town and Country radio. The clock has quartz movement. That's an option. That's an option. Here's the handles for the spotlights. New glove box. Look at the stickers. I mean, he hasn't missed a thing. The welting, the kick panels, carpet, embroidered mats, all of it's fantastic. Aftermarket air conditioning. This thing should throw ice cubes on your lap. The seat is all rebuilt with nice firm cushions. All the upholstery fits real nice, not wrinkled. Same thing back here. Carpets, floor mats, upholstery, side panels, armrests, all of it's fresh. You got power windows, you got a new top boot. Has the correct padded visors. That was a safety feature back then. Steering wheel's completely restored. The wiring in the car, I mean, they go through them completely. What a beauty. I'm going to pick up my father-in-law with this. He'll be surprised, pleasantly surprised when I pull up with this. So that's a Thunderbird special motor. It's a 312, excuse me, 312 making 245 horsepower. So it's a 4-barrel, got dual exhaust. And you can see it's completely everything in here. The stickers, the paint, the lines, the clips. It's all redone. It has power steering, radiator, the pulleys, the wiring, all of it's completely redone. The air conditioning, you barely notice it's there. It's aftermarket. It has 12-volt battery. You look at the right stickers and everything. Very, very detailed. It would cost far more than we're asking for this car to have one restored like this. This thing's a great value. Michael's going to show you how nice it runs. We'll see you in a little bit.
All right, everybody, top is down. It's time to go for a cruise. Let me start off by saying this Fairlane is absolutely gorgeous. Top quality rotisserie restoration, and boy does it show. Really nice running 312 V8 under the hood. Paired up with a Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission. This one's just real easy to use. Started easily for me in our showroom after sitting there for several days. And what a sweetheart overall. Definitely check out pictures of the undercarriage. It is very impressive, no matter which angle you look at this one from. Lots of power options too, which I do like. We have power steering, power top, power windows, and power seat as well. Also comes with air conditioning, which is fantastic. And dual spotlights, maybe my favorite feature on this car. Let's see what she's got. just like that, we are up to 60 miles an hour. Fantastic running vehicle. This transmission just shifts like butter. I'm absolutely loving it. What a great weekend cruiser, or, you know, after you get home from work at night, just get in this thing and, man, you don't got a care or trouble in the world when you're driving it. Amazing car. Come out and take it for a test drive. If you don't take my word for it, you'll see the exact same thing that we're seeing here on the video, but you're always welcome to do it. Just contact our sales team with about a day's notice, because all the cars are in a museum environment. And other than that, check out all the details at volocars.com.
So I say bodies off frame and put on a rotisserie. He takes them down to a bare shell and they flip them on their side so you can work from all angles. Underneath this car looks as nice as the top. The floors are this smooth and glossy. Also, I was going to point at the power seat switch over here on the seat. It's power seat. I forgot to mention that. So everything under the car was completely removed, taken apart. All the suspension and steering was rebuilt, and it was all detailed and painted gloss black. The dual exhaust is replaced, factory type exhaust and mufflers. The brakes all redone, the lines, all of that was redone when they restored the car. You look up at the motor, it's all as clean as the top of the motor, the starter, all the components look like new. It's the Ford O-Matic automatic transmission, 3-speed automatic. Drive shaft is rebuilt. They have the rear end apart. All the bolts are fresh. Fuel system was replaced. So what a stunning, beautiful car, loaded with options, restored by Jerry Miller Classic Cars. It doesn't get any better than that. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions, including how to get your Ford Fairlane delivered to your door. And if you need financing, we can help with that too. Thanks for watching.